Hello, in front of me I've got HORI Split Pad Pro. In this video I'll show you how to change turbo speed. To change turbo speed, use the left analog stick to adjust the controller on the left side and use the right analog stick to adjust the turbo on the right controller. While pressing the turbo button, push up the analog sticks to change the turbo speed in the following order: 5 times per second, 10 times per second and 20 times per second. Push it downwards to decrease the speed. Turbo speed is set to 10 times per second by default. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.